Hey, Cody with Ajax Motorsports here. Today I want to show you our latest build. This is the Defender Max Limited. This is going to be the unit that already comes with your cab enclosure, heat and air conditioning, and a lot of other accessories, but we wanted to go ahead and outfit it with some more awesome stuff here. So some of the things that we did, because Oklahoma is now where you can make your UTV street legal, we went ahead and did this on this unit as well. So you'll see our fuel, wheel and tire combo. We went ahead and went with a 30-inch tall tire, give us a little bit more ground clearance with that, and also changes the stance of the vehicle. Looks good. The bronze goes nicely with the silver and the black. We really like the way that turned out. Another thing that we did with the stance is we went with the Zebroz shock and coilover combo. That's giving us an extra 2 inches ground clearance off of that as well. Some other things that you'll notice here is that we have the roof rack, and this unit already comes with a bumper, but we went ahead and mounted Baja Designs lighting on that. Up top we have the XL80s, and down low we have the LP4s with the amber lens on those. Very bright on both of those, and the amber lens helps cut through the dust if you are in a dusty condition there. So you'll also notice that on top of the bumper that this unit already comes with, we have the 4,500-pound winch on that as well. That comes standard with the limited cab unit. Some other things here that you'll notice, we have the mirrors on the side. Those are Can-Am mirrors. And of course, we have the turn signal kit, because that's super important for being street legal, correct? And the horn. And it also comes with a windshield wiper on that as well. So glass windshield, which tips out. We have the glass side windows, rear windows, and even the back glasses, all glass, so you don't have to worry about scratching. And we went ahead and did a dark window tint on that as well, just so you're not looking through a fishbowl. Taking you inside of the unit here, you'll see that we already have our nice two-tone bolstered seats here. These come standard with the limited edition. We went with a full kicker audio system in this, and that's going to have the kicker head unit up top, and it's going to have six 6-inch kicker speakers up top with the lighted rings and an 8-inch sub in the back underneath the seat. Sounds really good, looks really clean, very nice install on that one. Very happy with the way that it turned out. We'll definitely be doing that more often. It turned out super good. We're very happy with that. Something else that you notice here is that we have the rear view camera system from Can-Am. That's a really nice feature that we have, and we really like to add those to a lot of their longer units just because they're kind of hard to see out of the back of them. One last thing here that we did on this is we added the lighted whips in the back. These are from Inifinite Offroad. They have a 25-year warranty on them. Very nice on those. Keep your party lights going. Keep it where people can see it too.